77% of buyers search online before they ever buy. And 75% of your customers judge your credibility by your site. Of course, your business needs a professional website because not having a good website means losing business. But making a good website feels like the most difficult, expensive thing ever. You face painful planning, horrible coding, sadistic scripting, crushing copywriting, and gruesome graphic design. It's frustrating and tiresome. Who wants to experience fake promises, missed deadlines, and endless debates with expensive designers? Nobody. That's why so many businesses do not have a website even today, when a good website is absolutely a requirement for business growth and profitability. Wish there was an easier way out? What if all that complexity just became obsolete? What if you could build a complete, professional, beautiful website and all you had to do was ask? Web design just entered the age of AI. Introducing Webira AI, the breakthrough AI platform that creates complete, fully functioning websites for any business in minutes. We're talking about a go from idea to live site in minutes. That's right. Webira will create your entire website in less time than you order coffee and at an even lesser cost. Forget the headaches, the HTML, the CSS. With Webira, you just follow 3 simple steps. Step number 1, pick an idea and give Webira a small description of your business. Step number 2, approve the plan and the custom theme that the AI creates. And step number 3, and that's the final step, watch Webira build the site. That's it. No programming, no debates with designers, and no frustration. Webira does everything from scratch to finish. It analyzes your business and creates the perfect website plan. It writes high quality, SEO friendly copy for every page, and it creates beautiful graphics, icons, and media assets automatically. It programs the entire site with responsive design that looks perfect on computers, tablets, and mobile phones too. Imagine creating a professional, multi-page website for any business, complete with original graphics and a custom theme, faster than the time it takes to order your morning coffee. And the best part? Modification is as easy as talking to a friend. Want to change a headline? Just tell Webira what you want. No whining, no grumbling. Webira makes every change you want in seconds. Whether you're a business owner finally building your site without spending all your savings, or a marketer ready to tap into the billion-dollar web design market, Webira is your ultimate website creation tool. Stop letting complexity hold you back. Webira is fully automated. Write your copy, create your graphics, and you can host your website absolutely anywhere you want. Don't wait days or weeks for a designer. Click the button below right now, get instant access to Webira AI, and you'll be building your first professional website in minutes. And remember, you are completely covered by our 30-day hassle-free refund guarantee. There is zero risk for you. Go from idea to live websites in minutes. Click the button below and start building your destiny now.